We're here at the Salvage. Let's see what Michael's got here. You want to tell us what we're doing?
Trying to steal the little window regulator out of here.
And we're gonna also take this liner here. There's this handle that apparently goes on it. Let's analyze these needles. I'm gonna guess 170.
All right.
I don't know why I'm wearing this still.
We're out here at the Salvage. Just found some painted fenders on this guy. There's a few nice ones here. What do you think, Apps?
Exciting. I saw that in the last one. I can't keep saying that. Wait, cut.
New one.
Start over.
Go.
No, but you have to cut it, for real.
All right.
You did it. Great.
Now the Apps.
What do you think?
Well, I think I gotta figure out where we're going.
The sky's pretty right now.
Sounds a little bit longer. We gotta bring this window down enough to access this bolt. You should be able to tilt it over just like this. Alright, here's the good one we got from a donor car at the Salvage today. So, see how she works. And down here. Three short ones, two long ones. The long ones go on the top two. Three short ones go on the bottom three. Alright, we're going to try to switch out these clusters. This one has the dummy gauges. Oops, I forgot about a light. Let's check my mileage before we do this. Alright, I'm going to temporarily put this one in just to see what the mileage is, make sure all the gauges work, and then I'll probably take this upstairs, clean it, and try to swap out the mileage. That's one side. That's our guy. Here's a new one. Alright, I think I've done all I can do. I'm gonna go see what happened. Maybe I should clean this. Alright, we got her all cleaned up, back together. We're gonna check it now. Switched that little MOSFET over and got the correct mileage showing up. Okay, final product. All the gauges seem to work. I haven't driven anywhere, so I don't know about the speedometer. But about half a tank, a battery, RPM's going. Oil pressure seems good. And temperature's rising. And the miles are correct. Alright, this is the rear hatch assembly. What do you call this? What did you call it just a second ago?
Mechanism.
Mechanism? Yeah. Rear hatch mechanism. They had a rope tied around this to actuate it. They also were missing a few bolts here, so we took it out. Now we're going to clean it up, and we found hopefully the missing bolts and some little lockers here to replace the wire that was on there. I think you need longer thumbs, Okay, so now we slid this little piece of aluminum on here, but we couldn't clamp it down with the vice grips. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of how many threads back it is in the position I want it. Then I'm going to pop this back off and then hit this with a hammer. Alright, so we hammered this little aluminum bushing on here, and it feels pretty solid, so hopefully it's positioned right. Seems to be clicking.
I don't know if it actually like... That's amazing.
Alright, next we have to fix this little plastic piece that's broken.
Maybe I'll try that left thing. But I feel like that one has more room for error, so I have to be careful. What do you think?
I'd say, judging by your internal compass.
No, it's really good.
You should. You get lost
also,
on
when
track.
I run alone, then I get to know the trails better, you know?
I bet, because you're lost. Has never done an oil change.
No, I haven't.
It's a good thing because this oil is looking pretty black.
Wow. Let's take a look. Looks like Dr. Pepper.
Some of this stuff. was thinking, I started filming you when I was really far away.
I took forever to come.
Well, no. I was thinking, man, I can't really tell if that's her. If this is some other lady, and she comes up the hill and I'm sitting here with a tree, like in a
so scary.
hood recording her.
I missed a turn on one part, and so I went straight. And I was like, wait a minute, this is not right. And then I had to backtrack.